Welcome to AB Academy. Aqueous solution, importance of aqueous solution and why some aqueous solutions conduct electricity and others do not. Firstly, let us see what is aqueous solution. Well, the word aqueous is derived from a Latin word aqua. Aqua means water, so aqueous solution means water solution. For example, when you add sugar into the water, you get aqueous solution. When you add salt into the water, you get aqueous solution. Therefore, we define aqueous solution as the solution which is formed by dissolving a substance in water is called aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, the water is present in large amount as solvent. Now, why water is known as the universal solvent? Well, the answer is very simple. It is because water has the ability to dissolve many substances. Therefore, we call it as a universal solvent. Here, let me ask you, is every substance is soluble in water? The answer is no. Not every substance is soluble in water. Water is a polar covalent compound. Only polar compounds are soluble in water, like sugar and salt. Non-polar compounds are not soluble in water, like petroleum and oil. Thus remember one thing, only polar compounds are soluble in water. Non-polar compounds are not soluble in water. Now, what happens to a substance when it is dissolved in water? Let's consider ionic compound like salt. We know that ionic compounds exist in a crystalline form. When we dissolve ionic compounds like salt into the water, they dissociate into respective ions. Salt dissociates into sodium and chlorine ions. Now let me ask you, can you differentiate NaCl and NaClAq? The answer is yes, you can. NaCl means that salt sodium chloride NaCl is present in solid or crystalline form, while NaClAq means that salt sodium chloride is dissociated into sodium and chlorine ions in the water. Thus, whenever you see S as a subscript with any ionic compound, remember that it will be in the crystalline or solid state. Whenever you see AQ as a subscript with any compound, remember that it will be in the dissociated form. And water are in aqueous solution. Also you should learn, do aqueous solution conduct electricity? The answer is yes and no. If there are free ions in the aqueous solution, it will then conduct electricity. Like aqueous solution of salt, it has free ions like sodium and chlorine, so they conduct electricity. Remember one thing, aqueous solution of all ionic compounds conduct electricity. Now, if there are no free ions in the aqueous solution, then it will not conduct electricity. Like aqueous solution of sugar, there are no free ions in aqueous solution of sugar, so it does not conduct electricity. Remember that those aqueous solutions which conduct electricity are called electrolytes. For example, the aqueous solution of salt is also called as a electrolyte, while those aqueous solutions which do not conduct electricity are called as non-electrolytes. For example, the aqueous solution of sugar are also known as a non-electrolyte. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.